Tucson is an Indian name. Tucson is the correct way to say it, meaning Black Mountain. And a lot of people here are proud of who they are. And I tell my children myself, be proud of who you are. We've kept our language, we've kept our culture.
As soon as I find out someone's native, panhandling, whatever, and I'll look at them and say, are you native? Oh, where are you from? You know, hey, you should go to the Indian Center. And I've done that a lot. Go to the Indian Center. They got some really cool resources that you might be able to use.
We serve all tribes at the Tucson Indian Center, and I think that's really important because we're one of the largest providers of Native American services within the city outside of the tribes.
We're a reservation that's meant for everyone, not just like one tribe. And we want to provide services for those people that walk through our doors and help them in any way we can to live in Tucson.
The center is a great place. I'm not just saying it because I work here. 6 decades of demonstrated effectiveness and efficiency in serving our community. The most fundamental level is hearing from our community what's important to them. What are their real dreams, their aspirations, not just their needs. It's going beyond that and hearing from them, like, what should the center be doing?
I first got involved with the Tucson Indian Center when I started off as a client, and I attended the job club, their new client orientation, so that I can be seen by the behavioral therapist here and also get primary care done.
One of my granddaughters has a baby. I said, so you should get your diapers here.
I was a single parent. They provided financial support for my son to help get good shoes so he could run in regular public school here.
Parenting classes, leadership classes, and they're offering all that. So to me, it's a place where you can seek help and hopefully we can accommodate that.
I think for a long time we've really just had this very top-down approach. You're the Native people and you have this issue and this is how we're going to solve the problem.
If we accept the premise that data is collection of numbers and statistics, it hasn't really benefited, in this case, Native Americans.
I don't think you can really have an effective approach to meeting the community's needs if you don't involve a community at every step along the way.
We need to hear what's needed, health-wise, transportation, so that we can direct the center to go, okay, this is where we need to go now.
Implementing their feedback at every step of the process. And even, coming back to them and repeating back, this is what we got from what you said. Is this accurate? Can we change anything?
With the Made for Health Justice program, we're looking at what are the causes and really come up with systemic solutions on how we can better our community. And I think that's what the data ecosystem is helping us to achieve. We do have answers. We're looking at this whole local data ecosystem as sort of the launching point to rethink things, recreate a public health model.
For example, like just now, they just opened a clinic to take care of each other.
And I have gone there too, and it's very well set up. They're trying to make the center bigger to have more activities.
I think just staying connected, that's a healthy part. That's kind of more the way Native communities are. They, through talk and being together and laughter.
It's a comfort place for me. And just to see other Native Americans make me feel comfortable. I could talk, I'm very open. We all laugh.
It's really nice to be able to engage with clients that come in that aren't having the best time, help sort of lift their spirits. Someone is here to listen to them or to help them get out of a bad situation. That sort of light at the end of the tunnel.
If you always do what you always did, then you'll always get what you always got. We need to do something new. There needs to be a new approach. We can't just stick with the same thing.
We truly did this thing together. That's probably the most important thing, doing things collectively.